Okay, I have started recording now. Okay. So this is how a banking infrastructure will look like. Sorry, I was speaking on mute. Okay. This is how a typical banking infrastructure will look like. Okay. So I will tell you why I have given you this infrastructure, because this will be very complex. This is the any bank, okay, whether it is SBI or any bank, okay, uh, they will be configuring in this way. Let's say you have here, you have a headquarters here. So this icon, whatever you are seeing, let me zoom this, okay. So on the right side, whatever you are seeing, this is your headquarters, and then you have WAN here, okay. So this icon and this icon both are same. So WAN is like you are connecting to the internet here, and then you are accessing the internet here. So let's say this is your SBD bank. So I don't want to name any bank, okay. Let's say this is the SBD bank, which is headquarters in Bangalore. Not in Bangalore. Let's say this is in banking hall will be Mumbai. Okay, that is the financial capital. Let's say this is in Mumbai. Okay, headquarters. So they are connecting with WAN here. Let's say you have Airtel, Jio, and Tata connections. So through that they are connecting to WAN. WAN is your wide area network. So this is the headquarters. Okay. Then you have something called card holder. So you see it here. I have a credit card here, a dummy credit card. Okay. So whoever has a credit card, okay, or debit card, so they will be having access to this particular section. So they will do online transaction, offline transaction, all that they will access. So that is the card holder network. Okay. So now you have B2B partners. Okay. B2B means business to business partner. So you need to give them connectivity. Okay. Let's say you are giving connectivity to the devices. Like you have swipe cards, right? Swipe machines, sorry, swipe machines, or any with the partners. You are doing any business, like you are doing some small banking with other branches, or you are a partner with the software people. Let's say you are partnered with Wipro, okay, or you partnered with some other guys, okay, like real estate people, all that, something, it is business to business, okay. So these guys are B2B, okay. Now this is B2B, and this is the internet, okay, business internet. So if I want to access the internet, I will be using this connection. So I don't have any internet connection in headquarters. If I want to be using this. This is the business internet. Okay. If you see it at the top level, this is all my uh, where I am going to belong or defined here. Okay. So this is where my connection is defined here. Okay. I have hosting service also. This is my website, www.sbd.com. Okay, this is my bank. See, all that, whoever types this website, they will come here and they will access my service. Okay, this is the hosting service. Okay, so now these icons are all okay. I am defining it. So this is DMZ, means demilitarized zone. So I am defining it. So they should stay isolated. They should not be accessing my core infrastructure or network. I am going to not give access to my network inside. Okay. So now if you see bottom here, okay, this is the infrastructure layer. Okay, this is where you see this icon here, white icon symbols here. So this is my data center, okay, which is located in Bangalore, Hyderabad and Mumbai. 3 areas it is located. Okay. So I have here control here, CTL, controlled, restricted and card holder. So these are all my servers which are in premises. Okay. On premises means which are inside my bank here. So these are the servers. Okay. So if somebody wants to do some credit card transaction, it has to come here. Then only I will do any credit card transaction, or else I will not do any credit card transaction. Okay. If anyone inside the bank employee, okay. So if let's say users are coming in here, let's say from other offices, from headquarters or bank employees, they will access here directly. Okay, they are not going to access in this way. So they will access the bank here, they will log in and they will access it. Okay, they are not the public facing. So we guys are the public facing, we are the customers here. Customers are, we can call it as clients. Okay, but bank employees, they are internal here. So they will be they go inside and they will access their servers here. So they will have less restriction. Okay, for us there is lot of restriction. Okay, they will identify what type of user you are, whether you hold access or not, all that. This is how a typical bank will look like. So till now you understood this recording now. So I need to do all the restrictions here. Okay, so if anyone wants to connect to this banking, okay, I need to restrict them. So I should not be giving access to this server directly if any partner wants to access it. Let's say you have given a contract to manage all these servers. So you call the Wipro guys or HCL guys, you come in here and you work. Okay. So if they come there and work, okay, then at least 300 to 400 people, only IT guys will be there. Okay. For that reason, what they will do, okay, what we will tell, let's say, so you put one server here, okay, in your office you put it, okay. So this is, let's say this is in HCL office. Okay, this is not coming. Okay, let it be. Okay, so this is the Wipro server. Okay, so if you ask us, then you need to provide me 1200 seats in the bank to work. Okay, is that possible? So that is not possible, right? That is not how banks or other people will work. So what they will do? Okay, so you come in, what you do? Okay, you give me any 2 servers. Okay, so what you do? You manage these 2 servers. Okay, if you come to these servers, these 2 servers, we will allow you to access. So we will put here one server. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, so we will keep 2 servers here. This is inside the bank. Okay, So you are Wipro employee, right, or HCL employee. So what we will do you, what we will give, okay, if you come from here, then we will give you access. Okay, if you come from here, we will give you access. Okay, so if you come from here, we will give access to this. In case this got powered off, you can connect to this for high availability. Okay, so you got it now. So you don't come to our bank office, head office, or any branch office. You sit in your office, you sit in your premises, in Wipro or HCL, wherever you are working. You just connect it from here. Once you connect it, we will allow you to access all this infrastructure. If you are not coming to this server, we will not give you access. Is that understood? Clear? Okay. Now these two servers are called your jump stations or jump host, or we call it as bastion host. Okay, this is where you are allowing other people to enter in. Got it? So this is where once they come in here, then you allow them, or else if they want to access, they need to see where they belong. Okay, they are not belonging to anybody here. Okay, so B2B partners, they will also have a connectivity. We will see that how they are connected. So now this is how, okay, let's say this, you are working in HCL here or Wipro. Okay, so this is your laptop. Okay, now you are working from home here. Okay, so now you have connected through VPN. So VPN, why you connect through VPN is, okay, to have a direct access here. Okay, let's say without VPN, if you are connecting, then you will get only the local IP address. Okay, let's say, so you have not connected this. Okay, so you will get ACT IP address. Okay, so if you are not using it, let's say if you are not using, so then your connection will be ACT. Okay, so if you are connecting through VPN, okay, they will give you the password, username, password. So then it will be considered as a corporate IP address. Once you connect through VPN, you will get corporate IP address, means you have directly logged into the company here. Okay, this is your company provided IP address. I will put this here, company IP address. Okay, so once you put this IP address, then they will allow, okay, now you are into the corporate office, means your HCL or Wipro. So now you are connecting to the bank server here. Okay, let's say this is the bank servers. Okay, let's say these are in Mumbai or in Bangalore. Okay, whatever you are feasible, you can say. Okay, so now these are the 4 servers that bank has given to access. Okay, now from here you are connecting. Okay, from here you are connecting to 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, is this clear now? So you need to acknowledge me, okay, so that it won't become complicated here.
Yes, sir.
See, now I want to have a two-factor authentication. Okay. I need to have your MFA. So you should know something and you should have something. Okay. You should know means, let's say, that is your password. Okay. Okay. And your mobile. So you would have configured a MFA, right, in cloud. Have you done that MFA configuration? Okay. So even if the password is stolen, you will be getting the two-factor authentication, so that I will come to know that you are a legitimate user, not a compromised user. Okay. So these are my servers. Okay. So I am allowing you, these are my jump host. Okay. You can come and log in here. So this is where I am filtering it here. So now I have divided the entire platform with two servers. Okay. So now I am not giving you any account here. So with cloud, what you are doing? So with the cloud, you can do with root user. Okay. You can do login with root user, or you can log in with IAM user. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what I am doing it here. Okay. So if you want to log in, okay, you need to get password from the CPAM server, CAPAM. Okay. So you log in here, you get the password to which server you want to log in. So let's say you want to log in with, okay, xyz dot xyz1 server 1. Okay. This is where you want to log in. Okay. So I want to log in abc1 server 34. Okay. So I am not going to give the password for you for any server. Okay. So you log in with your username, you get the password, temporary password, which will work for 2 hours. Okay. After that, I will delete that password. So you will not have permanent access here. Okay. That is why you will have privileged access management. Okay. This is for my production environment. Okay. Now I am doing it for development. Okay. So I am working on a development project. Okay. Now bank is developing some applications. Okay. So for application, for development, you come here. For production, you will get that access. Okay. So you are into development also, right? Okay. So I will give you only access to this server. So let's say you are asking about the development here. So this is my development server, this is my production server. So all developers should access this server to get the password. Okay. So then only you will be able to access the environment. This is production and this will be my development. So till now this is clear.
Sir, CAPM actually.
CA is the company here. Okay. Let me get, I will get you that one. Okay. So this is a very big company. Okay. CA. That is going for GOV. Okay. Not GOV. So you can search it for CA. Okay, CA. So I forgot that name. It's very big firm. Okay. CA.
Sir, in 1976 company, sir, based on 1976, sir.
Yeah.
This
CA.
I got in my Google. I
Uh,
search it. I
yeah. CAPAM. Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
this is your this is a big company. Okay. CA is a big company. I don't remember that name. What is that name?
CA Technologies, part of a Broadcom.
Okay. Broadcom has taken that. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. This is the one. Yeah. So this company, okay, they were doing all these activities. The Broadcom has taken it. Okay. So they are like mafia. Broadcom is like a mafia. Okay. So they will take it over and they will destroy that company. Competitor will use that. Okay. So I don't want to go into politics. Okay. So this is the part of privileged access management where you get temporary access to the server. Okay. I am not going to give you access permanently. Just 2 hours I will give you access. This is the CAPAM. Okay. Privileged access management. Okay. I have two servers. You take the login. Okay. You log in here and you take the password. Okay. And you click on that. Okay, then it will log into your server here. Okay, wherever you want to access, you will access it. So now I have lot of hello. So it got disconnected. Okay, so it got disconnected. Please let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now you have it here. So there is a lot of domains also here. I have segregated one more layer here because this is banking. Okay. So I will be creating all this here. Okay. So if you are having access to the management here. Okay. Management means for managing all these servers, I will give you access it here. Okay. Let's say this is the management layer. Okay. So I don't want to give a more complexity here. You will get confused here. So if you want to access any of this network here, I will give you that particular access. So just like you have core uh, N production, okay, these are the production. Now you have DMZ, right? So demilitarized zone, shared and in-band. Okay. Let's say you are having access only to core here. So this is production. Okay. So let's say you are having production here. So I don't want to give access to the production here. So this is your Okay. So this is how I will be giving access to anyone who wants to access. Okay. So only you are coming from here, I am allowing to go contact here inside, or else I will be not giving you access. If I want to give access, there will be a different mechanism for these. Okay. So for you right now, I am going to give you only in-band access. Okay. All the servers, let's say I have 400 servers, you will get the access now. So now you will get the access through this. Okay. Let's say this is the private cloud here. So you will get 400 servers access. This is how a typical bank connectivity will look like. Okay. So now we will come back to our documentation. So I will open the supporting content here. Okay. So you have here VPC concepts here. Okay. So let's take in virtual network adapter. Okay, your virtual network adapter. So it's a database here. Let's say we will take it the example of a database. Okay. So you go and open up in VMware Workstation, VMnet1, host only, any host only. It will have a IP range like this. Okay. So you create it. In host only you created one database server. It will fail to ping 8.8.8 from that particular VM. It will fail. Why? Because host only will not have any physical uplink or any service, no NAT service attached. Okay, it will be completely restricted here. Okay, so VMnet1 is a private subnet. Okay, if you see it here in your virtual network, in your VMware network adapter, if you configure VMnet1, let's say you are configuring a database, it will not reach to the internet here. It is completely restricted and isolated. Okay. Similarly, in AWS, okay, subnet is just an IP range. Okay, so it will become private. Simply, it is because you will not have any route table to a internet gateway. So you will have uplink. One is uplink and the other one is your internet gateway. Okay. So if you are configuring gateway, then only that will go outside, or else it will not go outside. Your traffic will be inside only. If you want to talk to internet, or if you want the VM to go outside, you should be having any gateway here, or in on premises you need to be putting it as a uplink here. This is how it will look like. This is the VPC concept and this is our VMware Workstation concept. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So if you configure an internet gateway, then only it will go outside, or else it will not go outside. Let me take one call. Okay. So I will move on to the next topic. Okay. Now you see it in the graphical presentation here. This is your VM host only adapter. Okay. Sorry, I was speaking on mute now. Okay. So this is, now you understood, right, this concept? Internet gateway and uplink. Okay. So now you are going, this is the graphical presentation how you will have access. Host only, it will be regarding to the host, it will be restricted. Only host can talk to this VM. If you have a host only network, then only you will get access. Okay. So here, if you are having a private subnet, the person who is inside this network 2.0, okay, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, if this is inside it, then only they will talk to each other or one another here. They will not able to access the internet here because they don't have either internet gateway or they are not having any route here to pass. That is how the graphical presentation is. So in terms of on premises, you will call this as uplink. Okay, in cloud you will call it as internet gateway. Okay, so in on premises language we will call NATing, no NAT here. Okay, so that is how this is going to work here. So this is the concept. Okay, so which is equivalent. Who is there? Okay, which is equivalent topic here for with respect to VMware. Okay, so that's it here. Okay, we'll continue this one tomorrow. All will continue the cloud networking concept. So then we will do this. This Sunday we have war room session. Okay, I will do it on Terraform and Ansible. I will do that on this Sunday. Okay, so tomorrow mostly we will complete all this VPC concept. All this we will complete it. Okay, so then we will do it the other things as scheduled.